definitely do that and call up and tell us what is up with her neighbors. Is that even a question?
You have Sarah. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gagan Preet and I hope you guys doing awesome. Sorry. So yeah, as you guys read by today's title, we're gonna play this game slash challenge who's most likely to and never have I ever. And of course, even this game is gonna go virtually because we can't meet. And guess who I'm playing this game with? My two fellow friends, Sarah and Ashna, right here beside me. And yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Also, you guys have known me for a very long time now. Now it's time for you guys to know them. They are very sweet slash bitches, but that's okay. And I'm not gonna explain too much about this game. You just wait and watch. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
Hey guys, what's up? Hi guys, I'm Ashna.
Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
Why you have such a low-key sound, bro?
Because I do.
Okay, whatever. So we'll start. We'll play first who's most likely to, and then we'll play never have I ever. Cool?
Yeah.
Okay, I was ready. Where are my questions? Okay, fine. I'll say.
Yeah.
First question, okay? Who's most likely to have the most piercings?
I don't know. Why would you say that?
Wait for my answer.
Why would you say that?
Come on. Oh god, what is
Your answer is not visible on my screen.
It's Sarah.
It's Ashi. Okay, Sarah, you're next.
Who's most likely to get married first? It's just too obvious. It's just too obvious. It's just not me.
Because Sarah is Shadi. No. Sarah is not that of girl that would Shadi.
who's most likely to have the most weirdest phobia?
What? I can't hear you. I can't hear
Shut
you.
up. I know
What did you
this.
say?
Who is most likely to have the weirdest phobias?
Like,
This is so obvious.
Is that even a question? It's
Exactly.
Ashi also. I don't know.
very obvious.
I'm the weirdest when it comes to phobias. Very weirdest. My turn.
Yeah.
Be truthful, huh? Who's most likely to embarrass themselves in front of their crush?
Why do you have to do that?
Like a slow-mo effect. She always says that she is.
Why do you guys do this? I can embarrass myself in front of everyone. So that's not the issue.
That's true. Now,
Mine is who's most likely to laugh at a wrong timing.
wait, I'll actually, you know what?
You know what?
I'm confused.
Suffer.
I
can't
don't
even.
know. I might give for all of us.
Yeah.
What? Not me.
Come
Okay, you are the first one, okay? Don't say it's not me.
I laugh because Ashi laughs.
Same.
मेरी गलती है अभी मेरी गलती
Actually, that's the truth. Ashi, we laugh because you laugh.
It's a compliment.
No, it's not.
A compliment.
So, Ashi, it's your turn.
Who's most likely
Hmm?
to eat with mouth open?
If you guys take my name, I'm gonna kill you. Why would you say?
What the fuck?
Oh,
I am not.
God, why would you
I am
say
not
that?
that
I
way.
don't-
This is not the truth. Shut up. This is you.
This
I
is
don't. Okay, I don't.
Majority of votes तेरे नाम पे ही है. I don't care.
Fine, whatever.
yeah.
My question is, who is most likely to surprise someone each and every day? Not each and every day, but most of the time.
So I can take your name.
I love giving surprises. And I love receiving
Hey, I'm done
surprises.
with the questions. No,
Yeah,
I
me
have
too.
one.
3 each now.
Most likely to not take a shower for a week.
everyone. Come on.
Bro, wait a minute. I'm kicking her out of the game, huh? She's lying.
Bro,
Stop fighting. Okay, I take
we are
my.
ganging up.
Ivy also said, oh, good job. Any questions
I'm
are
being
left? Any questions are left? Or who's most likely to?
My question is left.
Okay, say.
Who's most likely to forget all the birthdays and important dates?
Where is my name? Where is my name? Where is my name?
Dude,
Shut up. No, it's Sarah. Even I agree to this.
Really, but I feel it's me also. Sometimes, like sometimes.
I
Not
can
all.
forget everything. That's my superpower.
No, Baba, you remember things. At least not like me, forgetting my own mom's birthday.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
You did?
Once I was confused between one of my friends and my mom's.
Such a...
Bitch.
No, I didn't say that.
Okay.
What happened, Ashi? Saying that, oh, I saw you on Gaga Love Story and I find you really cute. And then he added, don't tell her.
What happened? Just drop your phone.
Shut up, say fast. And then?
That's it, I didn't reply.
And she's telling me now.
My phone's not working.
Not my fault. Now we're gonna play Never Have I Ever slapped an unknown guy in a train or on street.
I have never traveled by train.
Same.
No, I have not.
I haven't.
I have been this close to slap somebody, like this close, but I did.
Yeah, but you haven't. We know all this. We know the backstory. If you remember, the train wala incident happened with you.
Shut up.
Very good.
Never have I ever roasted someone mentally.
Come on, this is like so common for me and Zara. What? Ashi?
Never have I ever done a handstand.
I've tried to, but I couldn't.
I also never tried also.
I took my mom. Oh, but I have. But I have.
No, why you haven't?
But it was like.
Then we
You have, Sarah. You remember you put up the
Yeah,
story with the help
Yeah,
of
but-
your mom.
Yeah, but it was my mom and the wall. So whatever.
At least that was a handstand. Me and Ashi, we didn't even try.
Fine.
Okay, next. Mera now. Okay, be very real with this one. Never have I ever re-gifted a gift back to the same person who gifted it to me.
nice.
I'm seriously not.
You said तूने दिया है?
Oh shit, I haven't. I'm sorry.
I've given it to another person, but I haven't given it.
Every one of us have done that shit. At
Same
some point
person.
of life. हर किसी ने किया ही है वो.
Okay, so the next question is, never have I ever pretended to be sick to get out of college.
Always.
Dude, मैंने गगन का इतना letters लिखा है. I swear to God, I don't even want to talk about it.
So back then in college days, no, हमें बाहर निकलने को मिलता नहीं था. And she used to write a letter for me, being my mother. And break में हम बाहर निकल जाते थे, you know, somewhat like this, you know.
Never have I ever lied in this game.
Wait. I don't know.
I'll tell you the reason why. Because once I was playing this game with the group of people जो मुझे ढंग से जानते भी नहीं थे. So that was so obvious that I had to lie them. So that was the only time I lied on this game. In this game, otherwise I've never lied with you all. And the people I've played with. Never have I ever spied on my neighbors.
I have not.
Of course, I haven't. I don't like. Look at Ashi.
But Ashi literally do that and call up and tell us what is up with her neighbors. Literally, building में पूरे.
You remember? इसके I think सामने वाले घर पे there was some hot guy staying in it. She was like, bro, he's so like.
Bro, yeah.
He was in PG.
Never have I ever faked my parents' signature.
Every time, like literally every time when I was in school.
I don't remember. I guess I have not.
Listen, I'll kill you. You're not that sincere to give your own your parents' signature, okay?
I have not. I don't remember.
चुपचाप से keep this. I have.
Nobody will
Fine.
believe. You're
एक
lying.
minute. Even college time,
Fine.
this female has done this.
No,
You have done this thing. Keep it. I have. We know you.
Not me, we all
School
know.
में तो every now and then I used to give my parents side due to nails only.
I was a good kid.
Long nails का remark मिलता था मुझे.
You were never a good kid.
Listen, I was a really nice kid in the school.
Yeah, balls.
I'll say,
Yeah.
never have I ever gone out with different chappals.
Actually, who does that? Sorry.
I know why I have done. Ashi, I have done it with you. If you remember in college days, the entire college we were roaming with different chappals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
So lecture के बीच में
crazy.
break time हुआ and then she was wearing mine and मैं इसके पहन रही थी like एक करके.
Why would you do that?
It was so fun.
It's my choice.
And my chappals were so good na. So then she
Her
liked it.
chappals have given so much of trouble, man. So
Dude,
much of
end
trouble.
of the year उसका चप्पल टूट गया and then we were literally sitting washroom के बाहर and then the lady comes and she's like, do you want safety pins? And I was like,
I know.
Yeah.
Fix my-
she literally fixed her chappal.
And I remember we went to Gal and then bought a new chappal for her.
Yeah, oh my god.
So guys, we finally done with our session of who's most likely to and never have I ever. We enjoyed it.
Enjoyed a lot.
Hey guys, जाते जाते tell me what's the greatest memory हम तीनों का.
Night out. First
First night out.
All-
It was so sick, man. And night outs
So
have
fun.
always been nice, but the first one was really nice.
The first one was
And-
hands down the best.
No, we always had an embarrassing moment in every night out. Every night. Embarrassing
No, not-
moment.
No.
All.
We do have it. Remember.
Everyone sleeps early. Everyone.
You
You remember second night out? में
Are you gonna put this up? I'm good. Bye, guys.
Bye, bitches. We'll call रात को.
Yeah. I got bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
So guys, it's finally come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If yes, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below who was your favorite person amongst three of us. And yeah, hope you guys doing great. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. We see you next time. Bye.